Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD from Binance, step by step. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account. This involves completing identity verification, also known as KYC, which is crucial for full access to all features. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. It's a vital step to protect your assets. Once your account is secure, the next step is to fund your Binance wallet. You can deposit fiat currency directly using methods like a bank transfer or a credit card. Another option is to transfer existing cryptocurrency from an external wallet. Always check the available deposit methods specific to your region to ensure a smooth transaction process.
If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. On another note, for all you avid readers, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With funds in your account, you're ready to buy USD. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you'll select your preferred fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, that you wish to use for the purchase. Then, simply choose USD or Tether as the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Now it's time to execute your USD order. Enter the exact amount of fiat currency you wish to spend to buy USD. Carefully review all the order details, including the current exchange rate and any associated fees, before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, confirm your purchase to finalize the transaction and add USD to your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.